The first thing that you need to know about email marketing is that email marketing is dead. Now, I know you've seen all these trending articles that say email marketing is dead, but you need to first consider the source of these articles. As of right now, August 23rd, 2019, email marketing is not dead. Not at all, not by a long shot. And if you just do a quick Google search, you'll see the results speak for themselves. And now for my 13 must-know trending topics about email marketing. Before I jump into my list, I'd like to thank all of you that tapped the like button down below. It lets me know how I'm doing on these videos, and I appreciate it so much. So, number one on my list, and that is customer experience focused email marketing. And that really comes down to a focus on personalization, helpfulness, and really it's all about the customer at this point. You need to deliver to them the same promise as when they subscribed to your email list. Kind of like when I asked you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And in turn, I promise to bring the value on a weekly basis. It's the same thing. Deliver on your promise to your customers. Number two on my list is automation. And not just any kind of automation, but predictive automation. Just like when Amazon recommends something to you based on your purchase history. You're interested because they know it, and you click on it and buy. Same rules apply to this. Number three on my list is brand authenticity. You really want to provide that sincere value and look at things from the standpoint of your customer when you write your email sequences. It's not just a traditional push-pull type of environment like it has been in the past. You really want to nurture your customers into your value ladder. Artificial intelligence is number four on my list, and it is here today. It exists today and will be a massive factor in how we do our email marketing, how we do our ad targeting, all aspects of how we do business online is going to start here today and grow exponentially. So research it, pay attention to it. I will bring you information on it, but rest assured, it's something that is serious benefit for us marketers. Number five is customer privacy. It is a big deal today and will only get bigger. We need to understand as marketers how to use it and deliver the proper messaging to our customers so that we don't get in trouble with any regulatory authorities. It is a big deal. You could get fined a lot of money. So be certain on how this works for you in your business, and you'll stay out of hot water and deliver good results to your customer base. Number six is lifetime customer value. That is something that we all learned way back in high school or marketing in college, and I don't understand why so many people don't grasp this concept. Email is a singular point of communication that you own as a business owner with your customer, and it can provide you long-term benefits both to your business and to your customer. Lifetime customer value is the lifeblood of your business. You need to be focused on it and always be providing value to your customers through it. Number seven on my list is storytelling. You really need to be able to craft an email sequence, an ongoing, evergreen, forever lasting email sequence to your customers that it's kind of like writing a story or a soap opera. You need to have a main character, and that main character needs to be able to face adversity and triumph over conflict. This is the type of email sequence and writing to your customer base that will engage them and keep them opening your email for all time to come. Number nine is interaction within email. You want to elicit responses from your list, your customer base, in a non-sales or non-actionable sort of way. You're not trying to always close a sale when you're emailing them. Just like the one right before this, you're trying to create that story. Well, ask questions. You want to garner responses, or maybe a quiz or gamification or some sort of fun aspect, but you want to ask for engagement. Just like I ask for comments down below, you want to ask for engagement in your email series that's not always all about selling. Number nine is to take cues from your social media campaigns, your successful social media campaigns. You want to take elements from those things that get high engagement and include those in your email series, especially any sort of imagery or especially animated GIFs that relate back to your main character in your story. Include those in your email campaigns and you'll see more success and engagement. Number 10 on my list is that mobile purchasing is on the rise. And I don't just mean the number of people that are willing to purchase on a mobile device, but I mean that higher purchase values, larger order values are on the rise. People are willing to take their mobile phones now and purchase that $300, $400, $500 item, as opposed to in the past where we really thought about this and purchase a low ticket offer item. They are much more likely to purchase high ticket items in your funnel on their mobile device through your email campaign. Number 11 is my suggestion to use all of the tools that are available to you and make sure that your email provider really has a robust feature set. You want to be sure that your email templates are responsive design, because most of them will be read on a mobile phone. You want to make sure that you can A/B test everything, not just headlines or subject lines anymore, but all sorts of different ad copy, imagery, all sorts of different things. You need to segment in your list and A/B test. You need to make sure that these things are working for you, because consumers are more savvy these days and you need to stay on top of the game. Yes, it's a lot of work, but at the end of the day, the reward, the payoff is great. Number 12 on my list for email is to use a very focused abandoned cart recovery sequence. There are all sorts of different tools that you can use depending on which platform you're on, like Shopify or WordPress or BigCommerce, whatever. And you really want to try to get people into your funnel. You want to capture their email address early in the process, preferably before the cart. Maybe joining your newsletter or subscribing to getting a coupon or playing a game or something along these lines. Also, be sure and utilize exit pops for people that want to bounce before that. Offer them a coupon in exchange for their email address. Say that you'll email it to them, and that way you can capture their email address. And put a little bonus tip here is to put an expiration, maybe a 1 week out expiration date on the coupon. So you really want to try to capture people's email address outside of the cart phase, actually additionally to the cart phase, so that you can build that list. And last on my list, number 13, is to use your email list, people that have purchased from you, to use it as a review gathering machine. You should be collecting reviews from as many of your previous customers as possible. You could try to incentivize reviews by offering a coupon, especially for maybe a 10% off coupon if they include a picture, a photo with their review, maybe a 25% off coupon if they include a video with your product in use type of review, because this will go, it will pay off in spades. It will go so far to help you close future deals. It will increase your conversion rate like gangbusters. So try to collect as many reviews as you can via your email list, and you and your business will greatly benefit as a result. Okay, guys, that's my list of 13 email marketing trends that you must know. And if you got good value out of this video, then please consider liking it and subscribe to the channel so that you'll be notified every time I put out new videos to bring you value. As always, I will see you on the next video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future videos, and don't forget to like this video. Now, watch that video next. Go ahead, watch that video.